These stuffed jalapeños are loaded with a creamy cheese filling, wrapped in crispy bacon and cooked until perfectly golden. Let me show you how easy they are to make in this video. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, add the cream cheese. I recommend letting it come to room temperature first because it will be much easier to mix with the rest of the ingredients. If yours is still cold, microwave it in 10 to 15 seconds intervals. Stir for about 2 minutes until it's nice and creamy. And it is time to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm using grated Parmesan cheese. Also add the garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. You can also season it with oregano, paprika, chili powder, any spices you like. Mix everything well until fully combined. You can serve it as a dip with vegetables, crackers, or anything else you like. Set it aside while we prepare the jalapeños. Wash and dry them with a paper towel. Then cut each of the jalapeños in half. Then use a spoon to remove the seeds and the membranes inside. Notice that I'm leaving the stem attached. It makes the jalapeños much easier to hold once they're cooked. The membranes and the seeds are what makes jalapeños spicy. If you want a little heat in your jalapeños, leave some of the membranes inside or don't remove them at all. Repeat the same process with the rest of the jalapeños. I'm handling my jalapeños without gloves because I'm such a rebel. You can use gloves if you want to. You can also rinse them under running water to make sure you're removing any seeds. Spoon the cream cheese mixture into each jalapeno half. This recipe makes enough filling for about 6 whole jalapeños or 12 halves. I'm filling mine pretty generously. Bien gorditos, chunkies. But if you use a little less filling, you'll be able to stuff a few more jalapeños, maybe 1 or 2 more. Now wrap each jalapeno with bacon. Place one end of the bacon at the tip of the jalapeno. If you like, you can secure the bacon with toothpicks, but I'll show you how to wrap them so they stay together without them. Then wrap it around at around 45-degree angle. Stretch the bacon slightly as you wrap it so the end finishes underneath the jalapeno. That way, the weight of the jalapeno will help keep it in place. I am cooking mine in the air fryer, but this is a recipe that also can be done in the oven. Place the air fryer rack inside the basket and arrange the jalapenos in a single layer. I was only able to fit 7 jalapenos at a time, so I refrigerate the rest while the first batch cooks. If you're baking them in the oven, cook them at 375 Fahrenheit degrees for 18 to 20 minutes or until they're nicely browned. And if you're using an air fryer like I am, cook them at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for about 11 to 12 minutes or until they look golden brown and delicious like mine. Be sure to check out my creamy corn dip. It's creamy, cheesy, and loaded with sweet corn. And you can even make it spicy if you like. I will leave that recipe over here. And if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss out any other delicious recipes like this one. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.